Hey, I'm here in the shop today and I'm going to show you a quick way to re-rope just the bottom sash on your windows. Normally when you re-rope windows, you got to take both sash out to get access to the weight pocket, but I'm going to show you a quick hack that allows you to just get the bottom sash.
The first thing I do is use a multi-tool at a very steep angle so that I'm cutting just the parting bead and not into the jamb. That way I don't have to mess with the top sash. Use a razor knife to cut any of the built-up paint and caulk off of the parting bead so you can get it out without damaging it, and you're good to go. Now I use duckbill vice grips to pull that parting bead out, and then the screws for the pocket doors are usually coated in paint and primer, so I just have to clean out the threads a little bit and pull those out. Next step, occasionally there are some nails from the casing through into the pocket door. You want to cut those with a hacksaw, and then you can pry your pocket doors out and find your weights. Take the old ropes off, tie a knot on one end of the new rope, and feed it through the pulley. This is not always as easy as it looks. Once you get it to come out the bottom side, tie it onto your weight with a bow knot or a figure 8 knot. Put it back in, test it, pocket door is back on. And parting bead back in. Give it a couple taps, you shouldn't even need nails. Short and sweet, this little hack will save you a ton of time. You can find the links to all the products and tools I used in the description below, and as always, click the subscribe button to support this channel and our mission to make old houses make sense.